Hi, Blank Nights, a clothing company that specializes in blanks. I did a previous review on them that covers a little bit more information on the parent company, Night Apparel USA, as well as their sister company. So if you're interested in that, links in the description and it'll pop up at the top of this, I think the top corner of this video throughout this video. So that'll be there for you. They sent over a few sample pieces from the 2026 collection, so let's get into it. And just so you're aware, the previous review I did had a few pieces from Noveaterra, their sister company. So if we see that this time, now you know. Let's get into it. Noveaterra from their sister company. So this one's from Blank Nights, and this one is from Noveaterra. They didn't tell me what they were sending, so let's work through this together. Looks like a quarter zip hoodie from Blank Nights. This is in a size medium. It's got a very big zipper. Then quarter zip. Quality feels pretty heavy in GSM. For a quick rundown, GSM grams per square meter. Basically, the higher the GSM, the thicker the fabric and what they consider luxury. And generally, I believe that's 350 GSM and up. And you can tell the difference between lower GSM and higher GSM. I did a review that talks about GSM quality and through 7/3 Studios, which is also linked in the description. But they focus a lot about GSM, and their products are very heavy, and this feels similar to that. But I don't see the GSM on this one. So this is the 14-ounce oversized heavyweight fleece quarter zip. Delivers the kind of weight you notice the moment you put it on or when you pick it up. Designed with a drop shoulder, relaxed fit, it creates a modern silhouette. All right, so I don't see anywhere where it talks about GSM. It just says 14-ounce heavyweight fleece. So yeah, it has the fleece on the interior. All right, so we're gonna open them all and then try it on afterwards. Next one is from Noveaterra. Now, when I looked on their website about 10 minutes ago, they only had one product available, which was a hoodie. But this is looks like a zip-up hoodie. And they didn't have the zip-up hoodie available on the Noveaterra website, but they have it on Blank Nights website. This is the 14-ounce Boxy cropped heavyweight full zip sweatshirt. So boxy and cropped and heavyweight. It feels similar to the quarter zip. Again, they're both, so 14 ounces, 450 GSM. So I'm going to assume the quarter zip is also 450 because again, like I said, it felt pretty heavy. So if that's 400, if this is 400 GSM, they're both 14 ounces. I'm just gonna assume. I mean, they feel similar. The weight is similar, and they're both 14 ounces. So 450 GSM. It's what they could consider high quality luxury. Interior, just the interior is fleece, brushed fleece, same as the quarter zip. Looks like this one has a drop shoulder too. It's just the quarter zip or the zip up jacket version of that. So both of these are in a size medium. They look, first of all, initial thoughts, they're heavy. They're both heavy. They said they're 450 GSM, at least for this. They're soft. They look like they're well made. You can see the stitching. I'll cut to the stitching on the shoulders on this jacket. It's nicely done. And it looks like it'll stand the test of time. So let's get it on. Quarter zip. Size medium. For reference, I'm 5'9", 160 pounds. Feels good. The drop shoulder starts about right here. This is where my shoulder is. The seam starts about right here at the top. Length, fully extended. Good length, not too long. Cuffs, comfortable. It's not too tight, doesn't squeeze on the wrist. Nicely sits over it. Length, so this is where my belly button is. and this is where my waistband is. So belly button, waistband, and then this is how far it goes down. So when you lift up, I tucked in my shirt, so hopefully that gives you a better idea of the length. And then the space in between, not restrictive at all. You have at least 2.5 inches. Doesn't restrict mobility. So as far as fit and comfort, it's good. 5'9", again, 5'9", 160 pounds, size medium. Now for the quarter zip. So now it feels like a turtleneck because it goes pretty high up. 14.5 neck size, and it covers it all. With a good amount of room for breathability. It's not tight, it's not squeezing the neck, it's snug. And again, it goes pretty up high. You can see that. That's where my jaw is and pretty much touches it. So if you like turtlenecks, zip it up all the way. If not, zip it down. And the zipper doesn't go down too low. Some quarter zips I have will go down all the way down to like half the chest. This one stays towards the top of the chest. Like this is my collarbone, and then this is the bottom of the zipper. So collarbone, bottom of the zipper. If you want to layer underneath with a collared shirt, so undershirt, collared shirt, and a tie, it'll obviously fill up more of the space, but I don't think it'll restrict mobility because I'm wearing an oversized tee and there's still a lot of room to move around. I don't know if that's a good comparison, but I would stick true to size. No pockets as well. But there it is. On to the next. It's not zipped up all the way, so you could get a look at what it looks like. So you could see what it looks like when it's not zipped up. So the sleeve length, first of all, fits the same as the quarter zip. This is also a medium. Drop shoulder feels a little bit lower, just slightly, compared to the quarter zip. Starts right here, shoulders right here. Zipped up all the way. It feels a little bit more snug up here. I mean, there's room where the collar is, but I don't know, zipping it up all the way feels really snug. The hood. Just enough to cover your head. And then you gotta open up the zipper to bring the hood down. The cropped, do you see the length? So my belly button's right here, waistband right here. So I like that crop look. There's that length. The kangaroo pocket. Not much room, could just fit your hand. If you put your phone in there, fits. But other than that, looks good, feels good, has a good weight to it. It's definitely gonna keep me warm. I like it. So other than that, Blank Nights, thank you guys so much for sending over these pieces so that we could review it. If you're interested in either the quarter zip or the zip up jacket, they're linked in the description. And before you check out, there is an affiliate code which will save you 10% off your entire order. It is an affiliate code, so if you use it, it does help out the channel, but in return, hopefully this review gave you a better idea of what these pieces look like in a review setting. So thanks again for watching. Again, we did a previous review on Blank Nights, as well as a little bit more about their parent company and the sister company, Noveaterra. That is linked also throughout this video as well as in the description. So go watch that. It covers that information as well as I believe a crew neck, possibly a crew neck, a couple shorts and shirts, a couple different pieces, tees. So that'll give you a better idea of some of the other products they have. But for now, for this quarter zip and this zip up jacket, this is what we have. Great collection, feels great so far. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.